Hello, I am Don Di Carillo and this is my bike. This is an unknown Italian frame. We know because it has an Italian bottom bracket na Campagnolo. The group set is Campagnolo except the cross top levers. It has a Rosin fork, Campagnolo wheel set. We have a San Marco saddle and Cinelli cockpit. So yun.
This time is how long?
Huh?
How long is this?
It's a 130mm stem because it used to be owned by somebody who was a 6-footer. The frame was too small for him, so eto, isa pang magandang story dyan, pinaampon sa akin yung bike na yan. Yun, so I didn't pay a centavo for it, although I don't consider it mine. Kasi kung bawiin niya at anytime, okay lang naman sa akin.
Sanahin custody mo?
As long as it's with me, I ride it. Yeah. So since hindi ko mabunot yung stem, I resorted to putting cross top levers para at least nasa tops ako. Medyo mas yung ko, mas upright yung... Hindi ako hindi sumasakit yung likod ni matanda.
How long na sa'yo itong bike?
Siguro 2 years na.
Okay, one last message to cyclists.
Ride safe. It's cliche pero ingat sa kalye. Wag ipasaba sa Diyos. Kailangan listo sa kalye lagi. Yun.
Thank you, bro.
All right.